In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. If you're using Copilot on your Windows computer for the first time, signing in is a quick process, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the app with the Microsoft account that fits your needs. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on screen. To begin, open the Microsoft Copilot desktop app on your Windows computer. You can launch it the same way you open other apps, such as from the Start menu, your taskbar, or a desktop shortcut if you already have one set up. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so you can see the welcome or sign in screen clearly. When the app is ready, look for the option that says Sign In with Microsoft and click it. This is the main button that starts the login process. After you select it, a Microsoft sign-in window will appear. This is where you'll choose the account you want to use with Copilot. At this point, you can sign in using your personal Microsoft account. This is the right option if you normally use Microsoft services with a personal email for things like Windows, Outlook, OneDrive, or other consumer Microsoft tools. Enter your account details when prompted and continue through the sign-in screen. Make sure you use the correct account if you have more than one, especially if you want your personal preferences and saved activity connected to Copilot. You also have the option to sign in with your work or school Microsoft 365 account. This is useful if your organization provides Microsoft services and you want to use Copilot in that environment. In that case, choose the work or school account during the sign-in process and continue with your organization's login steps. Depending on your setup, you may also be asked to complete extra verification, such as a security approval or multi-factor authentication. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once your sign-in is complete, the Copilot app should open and be ready to use under the account you selected. If you ever notice that you signed in with the wrong account, simply sign out and repeat the same process with the correct one. That's all it takes to log in to the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. Follow these steps carefully and you should be up and running in just a few moments.